What's going on, everyone? We're here in France, in eastern France actually. We're in Alsace, that area, and yesterday I had my birthday and I thought I wanted to celebrate by going to ride a coaster. So me and my family went out just 20 minutes away from where we're staying on our vacation, and we found Luge Alpine du Plan Incliné. I'm sorry, I completely butchered that name probably. I don't know how it's pronounced. It's French, I don't do French, but this is actually going to be my first ever Alpine coaster. I've never done one before. I'm super excited. Judging from POVs, this one does look to be pretty weak and very short, so I have no expectations. I don't expect it to be cool or wild or whatever. Well, I expect it to be cool. It's going to be really cool to try one, but I don't expect it to be crazy or anything or intense or long or whatever. I'm just excited to try one. Up here you get your tickets, and here's the brake run right here. I guess it runs through the forest there. It's really cool. Okay. This is my first ever Alpine coaster. Luge Alpine. I don't know how to pronounce it. Also Luge Alpine or Luge Alpine. I am horrible at French, but hey, it's my first Alpine coaster. It's a vegan Alpine coaster. There are over 200 of around the world. This one is one of the shorter and slower ones. Nonetheless, it looks like it's a hell of a time. It looks super fun. All right, and here we go. Here comes the drop. Oh, yeah, I don't know how to do this. All right, here it goes. Whoa! Okay, there's actually quite a lot of speed on this. Whoa! Okay, good laterals. Good laterals. It's actually better than I thought it was going to be already. I didn't know I was supposed to hold down the handle. Woo! And then slowly brake here. Oh, wow. Hi there! Hvad så, kunne I finde ud af det? Like, how was the Alpine coaster?
It was okay. It was fine.
Yeah. What do you think of the coaster?
It was quite fun.
Yeah, it's fast, right?
Yeah. And beautiful.
Yeah, it's an incredibly beautiful location this is. I think that was actually pretty fun. It was definitely better than I thought it was going to be because I expected nothing from the layout, but it felt a lot faster than it looks on POVs and definitely had some laterals. I definitely have to get used to the fact that you have to hold down the brake throughout the ride. I had no idea that's how you did it. I'm pretty excited to try again. I'm going to get a few more rides in on Luge Alpine, so that's going to be awesome. I mean, I honestly really like that. Second ride. Hi, Dad. Did you brake? For our second try, and this time I'm gonna do my very best to go as fast as possible because this thing actually has some pretty good laterals. I also know how the brakes work this time, which I didn't the first time, which is pretty embarrassing. I've never seen a POV myself of someone fucking up the brakes like I did, so I mean, now you know how big of an idiot I am, so that's great. I really enjoyed this ride. I just had another ride with my sister as well, so this is actually my third ride. So here we go, Luge Alpine. I bet if any French people watching this are laughing their ass off from how horrible my French is. But here we go, Luge Alpine, full speed. Already, full speed here, little dip here, sweet floater, very good laterals here. Oh, very good, very sustained laterals. Just keeps on going. No laterals here really. Well, So that was as fast as I could go, pretty much. All right. Okay, so Luge Alpine is really fun. It's very short, don't get me wrong. It's incredibly short. It has a straight section, a turn, then a helix, a few zigzags, a little drop, and then that's about it. But nonetheless, it's an incredibly fun ride because it's got really fun laterals. Obviously, the setting is absolutely incredible in the forest. It's such an incredible location overall for this place. It's just in the French Eastern mountains, which is fantastic here in Alsace. And yeah, overall, the turn and the helix are both phenomenal. The zigzags are kind of fun. Not that they do too much, and the little floater drop at the end is fun too. And there's something fun about having to brake yourself as well. That's actually pretty fun. I'm not the biggest fan of having to hold down the handles all the way on, like, to go full speed. That is a little dumb, but it's very much a nitpick because honestly, this coaster is just super fun. It's better than like normal wild mouse coasters for me, I think. That's been it for this vlog where I just quickly showcased this coaster here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all sometime, I guess. Bye.